So it's the 29th of February. It's the last day of rabbit season. Lulu's been in heat for the last 3 weeks, so I haven't really taken her out at all. I figured I'd get the last one in before the season ends. It's gotta be a pretty quick hunt because I got stuff going on today. I had Jake with me earlier, but he had a wedding to go to, so he had to leave. We didn't do too good early this morning. Leave it. There he is, though. Had a girl. Had a girl, though. Had a girl, though. Good girl, blue girl. That's a good girl. She ran one. I didn't shoot at it because I was going to shoot on the second pass. I wanted to film her crossing, but it ended up pulling up. The second one, she put right in front of me. I shot that one, and I was gonna try to go for maybe another one, but we got a trial tomorrow, so I don't want to wear her out. She hasn't ran in 3 weeks, and she's starting to limp. So I don't know if she got a thorn in her paw. I couldn't find one. But it's gonna be a wrap for this morning. Thanks for watching.